Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
NFC is a short-range wireless protocol that works at about 4 centimeters. It transfers small amounts of data between devices placed very close together. Phones without built-in NFC cannot read tags on their own, but you can add capability with hardware. External NFC readers cost about 0 to 0 and connect via USB OTG or Bluetooth. Tags typically store small payloads like URLs, plain text, or simple commands for automation. I will walk you through compatible hardware, connection steps, and practical examples to use today. Choose between a USB OTG NFC reader or a Bluetooth NFC dongle for compatibility. Confirm your Android phone supports OTG in settings or uses Bluetooth pairing for the dongle. Plug the USB reader into a USB-C or micro USB adapter and grant any requested permissions. For Bluetooth readers, pair using standard system pairing screens and confirm a stable connection. Remember that NFC interaction range is still about 4 centimeters, so align tag and reader carefully. Test with a simple URL tag before install a capable NFC utility app to read, write, and emulate tags securely. Open the app, select read or write, and follow prompts while holding the reader near the tag. Use tags to store URLs, Wi-Fi credentials, or small commands that launch apps and automate tasks. Keep hardware charged. Bluetooth readers commonly last 8 to 12 hours per charge. Always test each tag on the target phone to confirm behavior. Remove sensitive data from tags and set privacy options in the app for safer use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.